how to download a file in Safari on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download a file using Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Whether it's a PDF, image or document, I'll walk you through the simple steps. So let's get started. First, open Safari and go to the website with the file you want to download. It could be a PDF, an image or any type of document. When you find the file, tap the download link. For images, long press on them and select Add to Photos or Download Linked File if it's a direct link. To find your downloaded files, open the Files app and tap Downloads on the iCloud Drive. If it's an image, you can also find it in the Photos app. And that's it. Now you know how to download and access files using Safari on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.